Today we're going to do a little bit of winter gardening. It's the northern part of the U.S. and it's January. We have 1.5 feet of snow and it's in the single digits. But that doesn't mean we can't have a little bit of fun indoors with some green plants. So a couple weeks ago, I had these potatoes that I got as part of like one of those gourmet mixtures, and I left them around for too long and they started to grow out of the eyes. So I just thought it would be fun to try to see if I could grow them indoors and actually get regular potatoes out of them. So I'm just trying to experiment with that a little bit. And in a couple of weeks' time, we've had some that have sprouted a little bit. We've had some that are really growing a lot. Wait, how tall do you think?
Those are at least 8-9 inches already.
Yeah, so it's growing pretty crazy. But then we have this one here that needs to be repotted because it started falling over today. Hold on, I'm trying to gently get it onto the camera.
Yeah, it's about to fall over.
Yeah, it's about to fall over. So this is, I don't know, 14, 12, 13, 14 inches tall?
Yeah.
It's pretty tall, and it's very tippy. So we're going to put it into a bigger pot. And who knows, maybe we'll get some of those little gourmet potatoes out of it. I have an old pot that I have sterilized, cleaned out nicely, and we're going to repot it into here. And I'm very curious to see what the root ball looks like on this one. See how much, obviously it's been spending a lot of time growing its, growing the stem, and maybe it hasn't been spending that much time on the roots. But we're gonna see what the roots look like, and then we're gonna plop it into the bigger pot. So I'm gonna try to be very gentle with this. Probably make a big mess. Okay, so we have, I don't know, about the same sort of roots that you would expect to see if you were repotting at this stage. Nothing really terribly exciting there. I'm going to keep that upside down. I'm going to take my pot, dump a whole bunch of soil into it, just to get the bottom. I'm going to put it pretty far down. We'll leave some of the leaves exposed. Just make sure that it's got a nice little bed to sit on there. So I have about, you think that is about 2 inches, 3 inches?
Yeah, about 2 inches.
Just so it can grow down a little bit more if it wants to. I'm going to plop that baby right in there. Yep, so the top of the leaves still stick out of it, but now we've got, I think, probably a good 7 or 8 inches that will be buried. And I'm just going to continue to fill with the dirt until it is covered. And then we'll check back in a couple of weeks and see what it's doing. I've got some grow lights in the other room that I'm putting these under, and we will. I'll slowly repot all of them as they grow tall enough. Looks like this is standing up. Oh, it's all standing up on its own now, so that's good. I'll just keep going here, and we'll check back in a couple of weeks and see what's going on with them.
Yeah, should be cool.
Yeah, should be good. Okay. Yeah.